Are you in the market for a new fireplace grate or looking to learn about them? With so many shapes and styles of fireplace grate out there, let eFireplaceStore guide you through the key factors to selecting the right one for your hearth. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What are fireplace grates? A fireplace grate is a metal log or fuel holder that sits directly on the hearth or floor of a fireplace. Using one improves your fire's heat output, makes cleanup easier, and keeps you safe. Grates elevate logs off the hearth, which provides air to the fire from all sides. As the fire burns, ashes fall through the grate onto the hearth floor. This gets them out of the way of the airflow to the logs, and all this increased oxygen gives you a hotter fire. A grate will also make your fireplace cleaner and easier to maintain. Every grate has gaps between the bars that allow small sections of logs and embers to fall through. Once on the hearth floor away from the larger logs, they too are exposed to more air. Those small pieces can now burn down to a fine ash, allowing you to quickly and easily brush and scoop them away for cleaning. Keeping the fire higher in the firebox also helps smoke draft directly into your chimney, rather than billowing out into your home. And finally, for safety, the arms of fireplace grates turn up at the ends. The grate's front may also be taller than its back. This forces logs to tumble inwards towards the fire rather than out of your fireplace onto your floor. Finding the right size fireplace grate. Measuring for your fireplace grate can be simple. If your fireplace or stove is missing its grate, you can follow these steps to determine which size grate to use. First, measure the width across the front of the fireplace opening. Then, measure the width across the rear wall of the fireplace. Next, measure the depth of the firebox from front to back. Last, subtract 6 inches from each measurement. Your results will give you the rough dimensions of an appropriately sized fireplace grate. One word of caution though, if you have a factory-built fireplace or stove, use the model-specific grate listed in the installation manual whenever possible. Some fireplaces and stoves even explicitly prohibit using a grate at all, so always be sure to check first. How to care for your fireplace grate. Most fireplace grates feature a row of bar stock metal bars called arms welded across a pair of support legs. They're most commonly made from carbon steel, but they may also be made of cast iron or, for outdoor fireplaces, stainless steel. Once you have your grate, it's crucial to care for it properly. When cleaning your grate, first knock off the big chunks of ash. Then, use a wire brush to clear away smaller ash clumps. Next, dampen a rag and wipe away anything left over. Only use water. Harsh cleaning agents may leave a residue that can be poisonous when they burn off. Finally, let it dry. Always be sure to check your owner's manual for anything special your grate may require. For instance, cast iron grates often recommend curing or seasoning before use, just like cast iron skillets. With proper care and moderate use, most bar grates will last about 3 seasons before needing to be replaced. If you have a bar grate whose arms have a diamond cross-section, it can last up to a decade. Cast iron basket grates typically last anywhere from 5 to 7 years if you're burning wood. With coal, though, you can expect about 2 or 3 years. And lastly, most self-feeding grates will last between 4 and 5 years. Now that you know how to find the right grate for your fireplace, you're all set to browse the wide variety of available styles. We're confident that you'll make the right choice. eFireplaceStore has a broad range of fireplace grates to suit everyone from the casual user to the everyday burner. If you have questions about our selection, our customer service staff is just a phone call or email away. And for more hearth-related info, visit us at eFireplaceStore.com, where you can shop and continue to learn from our ever-growing library of articles, videos, and other guides. Thanks for watching.